Welcome back to the channel, traders. This is day 15 of my journey to grow a $111 account into $2,222 by trading on Quotex. Today marks the halfway point, and every day the goal remains the same: stay consistent, follow the plan, and manage risk. Let's go to the trading screen and find the opportunities to trade. Alright, here on USDIN ROTC, we've got a potential setup. The previous bullish candle closes above our resistance line, and after retracing on this yellow line, we can expect a bullish movement. Also here, lower highs are forming, making a trend line resistance. As you can see on the screen, the movement is on upside, resistance level is broken, and we have a huge gap till the trend line. I'll be entering for a call option trade with 3% of my balance. So I have placed the trade for call option. This trade is all about momentum pushing upward from this level. Now wait for the results. This trade is not looking good at all. Also, the momentum is not helping us on this trade. Let's see what will happen. That trade didn't go our way. This is not a good start for the day. Small loss, but that's part of trading. Let's move on and find the next opportunity. Here on CAD CHFOTC, same setup like the previous trade is forming. I will enter for call option if the candle closes above the yellow resistance line. Like I said, I have placed a trade for call option with 4% of capital. But due to quick movement, my entry is placed a little higher side. I always trade on setup like this, no matter it gives loss or profit. This setup gives high accuracy, so this trade should be a winning trade. Like I said, this setup is highly accurate and gives good accuracy. Our trade is still going good. We have won our second trade, and with this we have recovered loss of the previous trade. This is the first win of this session. I hope all the next trades goes well like this one. Okay then, let's find more trades. Here we can find an opportunity for the call option trade if this bearish candle closes above this yellow support line. I have placed the trade here for call option because the previous candle closed above the support line, and here a bullish trend line support is also available. So after showing rejection on the trend line, I immediately entered for call trade. You can see previous swings also. After closing above this line, a bullish candle forms. I trade on simple price action. Let's see what will be the result of this trade. We have won this trade also, and this is the second victory of the day. We made around $9 profit in this trade, and we need only 2 to 3 continuous winnings to reach our 10% profit target. Let's find more opportunities. I placed a trade here for call option. I didn't analyze this chart like it should be. I just saw the breakout of the resistance line and just placed the trade. I am not very confident on this trade. Let's see the result. We have lost this trade and also the profit we made in the last trade. I was not confident on this trade, but I still placed an entry here. We should always avoid the trades in which we are not confident. Let's move on to next trade. Here on AUD CHFOTC, we can trade for put option if this candle closes below the green support line. I have placed the trade for put option, but because of the gap down opening of the current candle, my entry is so much lower than it should be, and the next support level is also near. This candle should be a red one, but because of the gap down opening, I'm not sure about that. This trade could also be a losing one. I have lost this trade also, and this trade made around $9 loss. I am at 3% loss right now. I still have one more chance to recover the loss and to make the profit. Let's see what we can do on the next trade. Here in AUD, USD, a breakdown setup is forming. I will trade for put option here. What the F is happening here? Again, gap down. This was a perfect setup before the gap down opening. But now this is what I should not be trading. I know this will be definitely a losing trade. See what happened? I lost this trade just because of the wrong entry due to gap down opening of the candle. If my trade was placed on the closing of the last candle, I would have definitely won this trade. With this trade, my today's stop loss got hit, but wait. I am not leaving without making some reasonable profit. I will take one more trade risking 50 for dollars. If that also lose, then I'll not be trading till the next day. Let's see what will today's last trade do. I will take a put side entry on this candle with safety margin on the green resistance line. Again with the F, I place the entry exactly on the green line, but see where it is placed. Quotex will not let me make some money today. Reason of placing this trade is there is a bearish momentum here and volume is also high in down direction. Support line is broken and also the trend line is broken, showing change of character, means market is shifting its momentum from upside to downside. Trend will definitely go down. Oh my god, gap up happened here, but still we won this trade because of good entry. We covered all the loss in this single trade and almost hit out today's profit target. We should never take trades like this. I almost risked around 20% in this single trade, although my stop loss is 7%. I did it, but you should never trade like this. So these were all trades of the day. We made around $28 profit today. And our today's closing balance is $350 for $0.46. This is it for today's video. And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe this channel if you want to see the full journey. See you in the next one.